Good morning, welcome back to Kayak Fishing Cornwall. Um, that's a bit of a giveaway. You'll recognise that by now, I'm sure. So yeah, I'm down here at Porthoustock. Today I'm fishing with a chap called Mike, who's contacted me and was in the area and fancied going out for a fish. So I've not put a decent bend in the rod the last couple of times I've been out, so hopefully we can change that today. We're going to head off to the reef, see if we can find a bass and a pollock. The usual story, just taking a bunch of lures and chucking them around. Yeah, I'll bring you back. Well, I think I'll troll lures on the way out and bring you back when we get there. You got one? Yeah? On your little jig? Mike's into a fish. I'm still fanning around. Yeah, you get all sorts of, stuff over here, but yeah, chances are it's going to be pollock. Yeah? That wind actually has blown us just shy of that peak I was aiming for. But it's a really slow drift. Right. No interest in that, so I'm going to get rid of that. Go for something tiny. Actually, I'm going to get a few lures out. A little white one. Ooh, fish. Small fish. Tiny rat. There he is. Calm down, calm down. I'll get you off. Was that a pollock, that last one? Yeah, not much here, is there? Oh, it's awesome on its day. Yeah, yeah. Well, so far I've got one wrasse, so I might just drift off this into this deep bit over this drop off, and then maybe just nip over there and do some casting. Yeah. Right, we're going to have a little cast about some bass or pollock, whatever. Oh, I've got my rubbish reel on for casting. So I've got Savage Gear sand eel, 20 gram in white. We'll have a go with this. Hello. Seals, seen plenty of them last week, or whatever it was, 2 weeks ago. Bloody things.
I'll tell you what, I've had some dolphins. I've had a pod of dolphins swim underneath.
Oh yeah.
I've got some footage of it after the send you.
Oh nice. Lovely.
About 8 of them, and they're all swimming beside me.
I never tire. See seals, yeah, but dolphins never tire of dolphins. I've seen tuna here jumping, but not caught it on video. Whoa, spit choppy here. I just got tangled up in some pot boys. Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to poke the boys. They must have got caught on the fins. And I was on the phone to my brother. I thought I'd cleared them, but yeah, it just brought me straight into them. And then I thought, hang on a minute, you Muppet, you can just lift your drive out.
Right, at this point I'm afraid we experienced some technical difficulties. My camera has a habit of turning off the sound recorder whenever I change a battery, and because I was having difficulty seeing the screen, I didn't notice. So the rest of the video has no audio. This gives me the chance to add some music to my video for the first time. So you can listen to music while I reel in a few fish. I hope you all like drum and bass. So it was slow going today, but we had a few fish each. The conditions were a bit unhelpful, as we had wind against tide to start off with, for the last of the flood, then some lovely glassy conditions as the wind and tide both died off together. Then the wind and the tide both switched to give us wind against tide again for the ebb. This meant we had hardly any drift at all, which wasn't very helpful. Nevertheless, it was a lovely day in the water, and we saw something big jump. It was either a dolphin or a tuna, but we didn't get it on camera, unfortunately. Maybe next time. Thanks to Mike for joining me today and letting me have a drool over his Pro Angler 14. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.